DIY iPhone 14 Pro battery replacement, step-by-step guide by Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery of an iPhone 14 Pro. This is a DIY project for all you tech enthusiasts out there. Just remember, this is at your own risk, so let's get started. The technician said in a friendly manner. First things first, you need the right tools. Here's what you'll require: a heat gun or hairdryer, a pentalobe screwdriver, plastic prying tools, a suction cup, tweezer, and of course, your new iPhone 14 Pro battery. The technician continued, sounding informative. The technician instructed, before we start, make sure your phone is turned off. This prevents any electrical issues while you're working. Once it's off, let's remove the two pentalobe screws next to the charging port. Now, we'll apply some heat to the edges of the phone's display using the heat gun. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to open the device without cracking the screen. Be careful not to overheat it. The technician advised cautiously. The technician, being careful, explained, once the adhesive has softened, use the suction cup to create a small gap. Insert your plastic prying tool and gently twist to lift the display. Take your time with this to avoid damaging any connectors. With a cautious tone, the technician continued, now that we've accessed the internals, locate the battery connector. Carefully disconnect it using your plastic tool. This is a crucial step as it prevents any short circuits while replacing the battery. The technician instructed carefully. Next, it's time to remove the old battery. If it's secured with adhesive, you may need to heat it slightly again for easier removal. Gently pry it out from its compartment, ensuring you don't damage any other components. Here's the new battery. Place it carefully in the battery compartment and reconnect the battery connector. Make sure it's secure and tucked in properly, the technician informed. The technician continued with instructions. Now we need to reassemble the phone. Align the display carefully and press it back into place. It should click securely. Reinsert the pentalobe screws we removed earlier. With hope in his voice, the technician said, "All right, let's turn it on and see if everything works smoothly." The screen lights up, showing the Apple logo. "Success," said the narrator excitedly. And with encouragement, the technician added, "And there you have it, a replaced battery for your iPhone 14 Pro. Remember, this is a DIY project you can do at home, but always be cautious and proceed at your own risk. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials from Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles.
Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Repair Center is the premier high-tech lab in Rotorua, Bay of Plenty. Our facility has the latest industry-recommended tools and machines, ensuring swift and safe diagnosis and repair for all your tech needs. Subscribe to our channel for the latest tech and tips. Follow us on Facebook.